Hello, in this video we're going to do a monopoly example problem. This will be an algebra-based solution, so no calculus. And we're going to find the profit maximizing price, quantity, and total profit. So we start with a monopoly characterized by the following conditions. The monopolist faces an inverse market demand of P equals 30 minus 1/8 Q. P is the price and Q is the quantity of the monopolist's output. We're also given an equation for the monopolist cost of production. C equals 20 plus 1/4 Q squared. And marginal revenue for this monopolist, MR, is given by the following equation. And marginal cost is given by the following equation. And what we want to do is solve for the profit maximizing price, quantity, and level of profit. So the main thing here is that profit maximization requires that marginal revenue equal marginal cost. So MR equals MC, and that's what we're going to do algebraically. We're just going to set both of these equations equal to one another, which I do over here. And now we got one equation and one unknown, and we're going to solve for Q, the quantity of the monopolist output. So adding 1/4 Q to both sides of the equation, we get the following. And then simplifying the right-hand side of the equation, getting a common like denominator here, we'll get 3/4 Q on the right-hand side. And now just solving for Q, I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation through by 4 divided by 3. So multiplying everything through by 4 divided by 3. And then 4 times 30 is 120. Dividing that by 3, the profit maximizing output is 40. The monopolist will produce 40 units of output. To get the price, we're going to take this 40 units of output and plug it into the inverse demand that was given on the first slide. So where I have Q, I'm now going to plug in 40, and we're just going to simplify this. So 40 divided by 8 is just 5, and we get a monopolist price of $25 per unit. To calculate the total profit for this monopolist, we're going to calculate revenue as price times quantity. The monopolist is selling 40 units at $25 each, so the monopolist is earning $1,000 of revenue. And to calculate the monopolist's cost of producing these 40 units, we're going to just take our cost equation, and we're going to take that 40 units and plug it in for Q. So simplifying, our total cost is going to be $420. And finally, to get profit, it's just going to be revenue minus cost. So 1,000 minus 420 leaves this monopolist with a profit of $580. Let's do one more example. So slightly different numbers. Inverse demand. Here we got a cost structure, looks a little bit different than before. Marginal revenue is given as 65 minus 2Q. Marginal cost is given as 5 plus 2Q. So different numbers, but going to follow the same solution pattern. We're going to set marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. I do that over here. One equation, one unknown, so let's solve for Q. Adding 2Q to both sides, we get 4Q. And subtracting 5 from both sides, 65 minus 5 leaves us with 60. Dividing through by 4, Q equals 15, so that's the profit maximizing quantity. To get the price, take this 15 and plug it into their inverse demand. Profit maximizing price is $50. To get revenue, price times quantity. To get cost, plug this 15 into the cost equation and simplify. And we're left with profit for this monopolist of $450. Okay, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful.